Yeah, let's try. Copper wire, non-tennis. Similar YVONNE. Okay. YVONNE. No, not a steering silver. It's copper wire, dear. Copper wire. A different wire. Use the little wire. Little wire. YVONNE. So we write the little wire. YVONNE, like this. Okay. It's copper wire with the silver plating. Okay. Here. Fold a loop at the beginning and tie it here. Then bend it here. This. Untie it. I'm go hidden it on the back. So this is the little wire. That's how I spell my name, honey. But since Stella calls me Yoni, thank you. My promise. Okay, YV. Then V. We fold it down. Oh no, V should go up. Yeah, by my mistake I remake it. V should go up, not go here. So we remake it here. Y. Here we can hidden the Y on front or on back. This time I'm go hidden it to the back. Okay, here, then tight it and go the wrapper to the front. Here, Y V here. Let's go down here. V O YVO YVON song. So, oh, um, okay. Hello, Roycelyn. Happy to see you. When we know how to wrap the letters, then each letter, put them together. Between the letters and the letters, we need to check which way is the good way does to put the different letter together. Okay, so it's YVONNE. So this E go up. Then we need to fold it here. Then put here and fold it here. So YVONNE, this one. Even though I practiced 5 times like you suggested, it doesn't work. Need more practice. So if 5 times not work, you can try 10 times. For me, some design, some letter, I also practice more than 5s. More than 5s. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then go make it like yeah. For now, I only know how to make the hearts. I maybe go to learn some different way to make the different shape. Okay. Here. Okay, so it's here. This one. Can we please see 1453? Okay, 1453.